Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to Kenzo Timepieces, where timepieces get the spotlight. Today's journey starts in Manila. From PITX, I hopped on the bus bound to Pangasinan, carrying something special for my client. Along the expressway, I captured the views from my window, a reminder of how far these watches travel before finding their new owners. After a few hours on the road, I arrived in Urdaneta, where my uncle picked me up and we headed straight to the delivery.
Magde-deliver ako. So, bumiyahe ako para lang i-deliver yung
Okay guys, nandito na tayo sa Camellia, sa Pangasinan. Ayun, punta na natin si client. Deliver na natin yung package. Tamar!
Hi! Welcome home!
Okay guys, so nandito na tayo sa mansyon ng aking napakayaman na tita. So nandito tayo sa Santa Barbara, Pangasinan. Camellia to be specific. So, deliver lang natin yung orders ni Tita Marge. O nga pala, follow Tita Marge on TikTok, Facebook, and IG. Yan. Nasa 400,000 followers na si Tita Marge. So ito po, yung order nyo.
Wow!
Yes. Check nyo na lang po.
May thank you pa. Unboxing tayo guys. Gawin natin yung iba.
So this is the Antline Gray Tank. Ganyan po. Ayan.
Wow! Maganda nga sa personal. Ito talaga yung napot talaga yung eyes ko dito eh. Oh, ang ganda. So, isusot ko na. Susot ko na, kaya hindi ko pa nabayaran ha.
Rose gold case siya with gray dial and gray leather strap. Sukatin niyo yan. Then, check natin yung order naman ni Ate Angel.
Wow, meron din si Angel.
Yeah.
That's going to Canada.
Yeah, to be shipped to Canada. Since sila Tita Marge kasi is pupunta ng Canada.
Suot mo ito si Ren.
So, pupunta sila ng Canada this September.
Next week na.
Next week na pala.
Next week na.
Eh, papasabay natin.
So, ito yung pinagpilian natin, brown or itong gray, di ba? Pero dito ako na in love sa gray.
Okay lang yun.
Yeah, okay lang. Oh, di ba?
That's alright pala.
Ano ako eh, mas comfortable ako sa right.
Wow. Bagay
Thank you, Kenzo Timepiece.
Bagay yung ano.
So, let's check yung isa.
Wala yung
What?
thank you card natin.
Uy.
And guys.
Thank you for your order. Kenzo.
Ito yung order naman ni
Ate
Angel. So this is the Seiko SWR 093 P1. So ito naman po is two-tone with crystals.
Open natin. Ganda naman to. Pangalan pa lang, two-tone with crystals. Ibili ko rin yata si Tito Ting. Seiko.
So ayan, kasama yung manual and yung warranty.
Wow! OMG! Para kay Ate Angel pala. Akala ko para kay Rudy. Ang ganda! Parang Cartier.
Cartier alternative.
Yes, oo. Darling, by December, alam mo na. Oh, ang ganda! So, ito dadaling ko ng Canada.
Okay?
Okay?
Done deal, Tita Marge.
Done deal!